Hello dear student, in this video I will discuss isometric projection of circle. So normally we are drawing circle by using one center only. But in isometric projection the circle should be look like this. It is like oval shape and it can be drawn by using four center method. Okay, so four different arc we have to draw. So it is quite difficult than the simple circle. So we understand method of drawing isometric projection of circle by step so you can easily understand. So we have to draw isometric projection of circle having 50 mm diameter and when we are looking from the top view. So different view in orthographic and in isometric the different plane are there. So according to plane we have to draw. So in top view we have to draw. There are front view also and there are the side view also. So here we have to draw in top view. So circle is given of 50 mm diameter. It is in orthographic look like this. Now we have to draw its isometric view. So we will construct here isometric circle by four center method. So let's start. First of all, draw horizontal line. Take any point on that and from that draw line at 30 degree. According to isometric projection we are drawing the line at 30 degree of 50 mm length because that your diameter of circle is given 50. So your rectangle also of 50 mm length. Similarly on left side also we have to draw 30 angle line and of 50 mm length. Now parallel to this line we have to draw here another line of, you can say, 50 mm and directly join 2 point, or you can draw parallel line to this and it is of again 50 mm length. So our isometric plane is ready for drawing top view of the circle. Now we have to define midpoint of each side of this rhombus. So this side is 50 mm, midpoint is 25 mm. Like that all midpoint we have to define. Give the name A, B, C, D. Now from this point and from this point we have to draw line that will be contact with this center point. So from this point we have to draw line that will join to point A. Similarly from this we have to draw again line. So here in isometric this line we have to draw for two corners, they are nearer to each other. These are the far away, these are the nearer to each other. Or in other words you can say it have a more angle. So from another corner we have to draw a line to opposite side midpoint, that is contacting point B, and from this point we have to join C. So these are we are drawing for defining the center. Okay, so see one by one center different. So from this point we have drawn the line that are the two center of circle. So this is first center and this is second center of our circle. Now this line we have drawn for defining the another two center. So intersection of these two lines, it is your center number 3, and intersection of these two lines, it is center number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the four center of circle in isometric view or projection. So now we draw the arc by using one by one center. So by using compass 1 to A we have considered radius and 1 as a center, we have to draw the arc up to A point to point B. So this is our first arc. So here we are considering 1 as a center and 1 to A as a radius. Directly we have to measure from here and we have to draw arc from A point to point B. Now second arc by using center as a 2. So 2 as a center, 2 to C as a radius, and we have to draw arc from C point to point D. Similarly for 3 and 4 point, by considering 3 as a center and 3 to D as a radius, we have to draw the arc D to E. So its arc should be look like this. Then last one arc 4 as a center and 4 to B as a radius, we have to draw the arc. So this is our isometric projection of circle by using full center method. It should be look like this.